What'd you get, honey?
That's what I wanted!
Is that what you were
What is
talking
it?
about?
What is it, honey? You alright? Honey just tripped. I just fell on my butt.
Love you.
Love you.
What is it, hon?
That's what I wanted!
What?
Barbie house!
That's what you were telling me about? That's a Barbie house?
That's a Barbie house. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can get it. Rip the bottom. I don't know if I can. You want some milk? What?
Get it all.
Silly. Here, we'll take that one from the other side. I'll tip it the other way. Hey, Holly, stand up and look at me really quick.
Let's see. Smile at me, honey. Merry Christmas.
You have a little wrapping paper in your hair. Claire. How did that happen? Are you the present? It's just the present. I want it. Oh my goodness.
What do you say? Love you.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. That's the fakest smile I've ever seen.
Careful.
You